Hey, it's Jonathan. Thanks for joining me today. I hope this video finds you good fortune. If you like to buy the bottom, sell the top, make money in the middle, make sure you give me a like and a subscribe. Watch the video to the end. If you like this content, consider staking our poll. For more information on that, check out the welcome video to the YouTube channel. And really do appreciate it. So, today I want to talk about Cardania. Okay. Um, I've been purchasing some pieces of Metaverse basically just as first edition art. Is kind of what I'm thinking, kind of what I'm is in my mind. But when when the metaverses start to kick off, these are businesses. Um, these are businesses, and I just wanted to mention Cardania because I was very impressed with the interaction that I had with their support team here recently, and so I did want to mention it. If you've been in the Discord, I had mentioned that they were having the founder card, the final founder card sale, and I didn't have a chance to make a video on it, but I put a link into the Discord. And gave everybody a heads up that there was going to be a founder card sale for Cardania. It was the final founder card sale. This was a couple weeks ago, right? So I made it in the sale and I purchased a couple founder cards. Well, then shortly after that, they had a terraform drop, which is their little pieces of land. So everybody that had a founder's card, for each founder card you had, you got a land drop. And so what happened was two of my founder cards did not receive a land drop, and I contacted them on their Discord channel, and um, they were it took a couple days for me to still get a drop. There was a problem, right? And I know everybody's busy and the network is slow and all that kind of stuff, but I was very impressed with their customer service. Um, I was I talked to them concerning the RAD tokens, the return of the RAD tokens, how the RAD tokens were bad. Had a brief conversation about that, then was transferred over to somebody else. They hopped um, right on the issue with the Terraform, and these are businesses, right? And nobody knows whether the prices can go up or down or any of that kind of stuff. Like I said, I'm almost not too concerned about it. Some of this stuff I'm just buying as first edition art. But when I see excellence, um, then I want to point it out because these are businesses, and a lot of them have, a lot of people don't run things like this like business. We're kind of in the beginning stages of cryptocurrency and everybody's, fun and this and that. But these are businesses. These are going to be big businesses, very big businesses. And I just wanted to point out dealing with Cardano was very, um, was, I was very pleased at the way that it turned out. Um, and I encourage you, if you're into NFTs and you're into metaverses, you might want to check this out. This is a project I'm checking out. So I did want to bring this to your attention. They're very professional and helped out. They're right now they're pretty much sold out of everything. Everything's sold out, right? They just had their token sale. The RAD token sold out. They've sold out of everything. They are going to have, just to bring it to your attention, these packs of cards that are going to be opened up. All of these sold out, but they are going to have an Astral Alliance pack come out. Now that's coming soon, so I'm not too sure when that's going to be, but that's something to keep your eyes out for. Something that I'm keeping my eyes out for. I have some of the other card packs, and I'm keeping my eyes out for that. So anyway, like I said, when I see excellence, then I like to point it out, and they were uh, they were very good. So, all right. So this is a project I'm going to hold. This is a project that I'm hang on to. A lot of times I'll get into projects, I'll buy in, and then sell out. Sell pretty much right away. Um, because a lot of times that's what you need to do. This seems to be holding its value. This project seems to be holding its value. and and not only that, they have great art, and I'm very excited to see how their map and everything goes, how this is going to work out. Looks like they're putting a lot of functionality into their pieces of Metaverse. The only thing, when you're judging metaverses, if you're serious about being in the metaverse, any metaverse, in my opinion, any metaverse that um, starts going in the direction of we're just going to sell stuff to keep, but because these are businesses, so they have to make money. If their main objective is just to sell stuff to keep the business going, then that would be a fail instantly. In my book on any of these metaverses. Now that doesn't mean I wouldn't hold them or have some of their artwork or something like that. But what we want to see when we're looking at a metaverse is we want to see the metaverse with the financial goals of bringing finances to the consumer base and receiving royalties off of that. For instance, um, like this, there's going to be a bunch of resources in these lands, these little pieces of land. You've got different kind of ores, you have water, you have different kind of flora, different kind of fauna, and if you're able to farm, and I think these are all going to be NFT tokens. Now, this is speculation. I think these are going to be NFT tokens, but if you can take the stuff that you acquire from your land and then resell it on a market to somebody else in the game that might want it, right? Might be able to use it as a resource, and then Cardania gets a kickback from those sales. Um, then that would be like a self-sustaining um, metaverse, in my opinion. You don't want, or I don't want to be involved in any project really that is their ideas like we're just going to keep creating stuff and you all just keep buying it, right? I want to see where, and this is the way I think it's going to, is that, things are created, that you create stuff in the game that you can actually sell, and then a royalty be kicked back off of that to the founders, right? To the original creators, and that keeps the ball rolling. So that's really the way that it needs to be set up. These are the things I'm looking for. But look, their customer service is great. So they're very professional and they were very helpful. So thumbs up on customer service. Okay, I thought you might, you know, just wanted to give this little bit of review here. So y'all are beautiful. I'll see you next time.